Cardano is down. The bears are growling and the skeptics are having a field day. But could this be the calm before an epic storm? Imagine ADA rallying to $6, a price so high it feels like crypto fan fiction. Is it possible, or are we chasing fool's gold? Stick around as we break it all down, from market sentiment to price charts, sprinkled with a healthy dose of reality and humor. Let's dive in, because this is about to get interesting. Hey there, crypto fam. Welcome back to Zaki Crypto Update, where we don't just talk about crypto, we make it fun, digestible, and maybe a little too honest at times. I'm your host, Zaki, and today we're tackling Cardano, the blockchain darling that's currently stuck in the mud. Will it sink further, or is it about to blast off to $6? Spoiler alert, it's complicated, but you're gonna wanna stick around to the end to hear it all. Oh, and before we get started, do the smart thing, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Trust me, your future crypto profits will thank you, or at least I will. In this video, we're unpacking Cardano's recent price dip, analyzing whether this correction is part of a historical pattern, and figuring out what needs to happen for ADA to hit that mythical $6 mark. We'll also take a hard look at the charts, dive into on-chain data, and share some crypto opinions you won't hear anywhere else. So grab your favorite snack, this is going to be a ride. All right, let's not sugarcoat things. Cardano has seen better days. After dropping 8.77% in just one day and a staggering 14.45% over the past week, ADA is now trading at a not so impressive. To put it into perspective, that's like your favorite coffee shop doubling their prices while serving half the coffee. It stings. But is this just another dip in the roller coaster that is crypto, or is ADA's future brighter than it seems? Let's start by unpacking some of the recent events. The recent drop in ADA's price has the community buzzing. On one hand, you have the eternal optimists who believe Cardano is just gearing up for its next big rally. Leading the charge is crypto analyst Ali Martinez, who suggests ADA could skyrocket to $6 based on its historical price cycles. On the other hand, the bears are louder than ever, pointing to declining on-chain activity and weak fundamentals. They're basically saying don't hold your breath. So who's right? Let's dig deeper. Martinez's optimism comes from a detailed look at Cardano's past performance. Back in 2020, ADA followed a very similar pattern. After a major rally, it corrected sharply, just like it's doing now. And what happened next? A rally so epic it made crypto enthusiasts everywhere believe in miracles. Here's a quick recap. In 2020, ADA surged from 88 cents to 190 cents during a bull rally. Then came the dreaded correction, dragging it down to 12 cents. But by February 2024, ADA had soared to $1.02, a jaw-dropping 750% increase. Now Martinez believes history could repeat itself. If this pattern holds, ADA might just be primed for another explosive rally. Imagine turning $1 into $6. That's the kind of math we love in crypto. But let's not pop the champagne just yet. While historical cycles give us hope, current on-chain data tells a more sobering story. For starters, Cardano's on-chain activity is declining. The price DAA, divergence, a fancy term for comparing price movement to on-chain activity, has been negative for weeks. In simple terms, ADA's price is like a shiny car with no gas in the tank. It might look good, but it's not going anywhere. Large transactions have hit monthly lows, signaling that whales are staying on the sidelines. And Cardano's NVT ratio, which compares its market cap to transaction volume, has jumped from 9.17 to 38.12. Translation? The market value is growing faster than its actual usage, which isn't exactly a recipe for sustainable growth. Let's talk numbers. The short-term outlook isn't exactly inspiring. Analysts predict the price could dip further to 85 cents before finding support, and even if a rally does occur, ADA has a mountain of resistance levels to overcome. $1, $1.02, $1.06, $1.08, and $2.04, to name a few. It's like trying to run a marathon with hurdles every 100 meters. Sure, it's possible, but it's going to take time, effort, and maybe a little luck. Here's where I throw in my 2 cents. Cardano isn't just about the price, it's about the bigger picture. While short-term traders might be panicking, long-term holders should focus on the fundamentals. Cardano's commitment to scalability, sustainability, and decentralization sets it apart from many other projects. It's like building a house. You don't want a quick fix, you want a solid foundation that lasts for years. However, let's not ignore the elephant in the room. Cardano needs to up its game when it comes to adoption and on-chain activity. All the tech in the world won't matter if people aren't using it. Before we dive into what Cardano needs to do to turn things around, let's take a quick break. If you've made it this far, clearly you're enjoying the content or at least tolerating my jokes. So do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update, and ring the notification bell. Your support helps me keep bringing you quality crypto content. Plus, it keeps the YouTube algorithm happy, and we all know how picky that thing can be. For ADA to truly bounce back, it needs to address a few key areas: more transactions, more active wallets, and more real-world usage. Without these, the price is just speculation. Cardano's ecosystem needs to grow. The more projects built on Cardano, the stronger its position in the market. Let's face it, crypto is confusing for most people. Cardano's team needs to do a better job of explaining why it's a game changer. If Cardano can nail these, the $6 target might not be so far-fetched after all. Ultimately, crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. While it's easy to get caught up in daily price movements, the real question is, where will Cardano be in 5 years? My take, if it continues to innovate, attract developers, and grow its ecosystem, ADA has the potential to become one of the top players in the blockchain space. But like any investment, it's not without risks. So as always, invest wisely. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's video. We've covered Cardano's current struggles, its potential for a $6 rally, and everything in between. If you found this video helpful or at least mildly entertaining, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Also, let me know in the comments, are you bullish, bearish, or somewhere in between on Cardano? Let's keep the conversation going. And if you're hungry for more crypto insights, check out my other videos. Thanks for tuning in to Zaki Crypto Update, where we bring you the good, the bad, and the hilarious in crypto. See you next time. Disclaimer, the content in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, so stay informed and invest wisely.